Hey guys! Today we'll be making yours golden headpiece. This tutorial has been requested by a fellow cosplayer who was having trouble with the spikes. So why not show you guys how to make the whole thing from scratch. Starting off with the easiest part, the roses. And to make them you're gonna need two 50cm long satin ribbons, one for each rose, a needle and a lighter. So I started by burning the ends of the ribbon to prevent fraying. This makes it way easier to work with. I then grabbed my needle and pierced through the top edge of the ribbon and then through the bottom edge of the ribbon, while using the length of the needle as a guide. I did this along the entire length of the ribbon in a sort of zigzag pattern, while folding it accordingly. I then trimmed the starting end of the ribbon and pulled the tip through the eye of the needle. I twisted it a couple of times and then pulled the needle through the folds. Now just twist it around until you're happy with how it looks and you got yourself a satin rose. And we can move on to the spikes. I looked at a couple of options and decided that the best approach would be to carve them out of XPS foam. So to make this process a little easier, I made my patterns first and outlined their shapes on the foam. I then used a sharp knife to carve the spikes out of it. and then used sandpaper to sand them down and make them as smooth as possible. They're pretty much ready for primer, but I decided to take an extra step towards perfection. So I made some paper mache paste by mixing paper mache dust and water. I then applied the pasted spikes and left them drying overnight. And now we're back to sanding. Smoothness achieved, dust removed, and moving on to priming. I mixed white glue with water and used a brush to apply the mix to our spikes as evenly as possible. I left them drying overnight again, and this is what they look like after drying. And this is what they look like after a couple of layers of gold spray paint. I also used the same spray paint on a plastic headband, and now all there's left to do is attach everything together with the help of all-purpose glue. And there you have it, the completed headpiece of your favorite undercover assassin. I hope this tutorial was useful to you, and if it was, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!